Hi, I'm Scott with the Youth Services Department of the Mid-Continent Public Library, and I'm going to show you how to make this bee puppet. The supplies that you'll get are some googly eyes, a fuzzy stick, some yellow paper, and some white paper. Some things that you'll need are some markers, glue stick, scissors, and maybe some tape. Some optional things are perhaps a pen and a cup that we're going to use to draw a circle with. You can use anything that will draw a circle. So let's get started. So the easiest way to do the body and the head of the bee is to take your yellow paper and fold it in half, just like that. So we're going to use our cup to make a half circle. When we cut this, and we want it on the crease. So when we cut this, it'll make a full circle. So we're going to place our cup here, and then we're going to trace so we know where to cut. And then we're going to do that one more time. And they don't have to be exact because we're going to make one smaller in a minute. All right. So then where we made these, we're going to do some cuts. So one of these is going to be the body, and one is going to be the head. If you laid them out, you may have made one smaller than the other already, which it looks like we did. So if you kind of move your cup, where you're going to cut it, up and down, you can make bigger or smaller circles. Okay, so now we have the bee's head and the bee's body. So now we're just going to glue those together. Just do a little bit of glue right there. And boom. All right. Next, we're going to make the wings, so you're going to need some white paper. Again, we're going to fold it in half. And for wings, there are all sorts of different ways you can make wings. We want you to be creative. But one of the things you can do is draw a heart. So we're going to draw a half heart on here. So we're going to do a half heart. We're going to have to do it twice, just like before. So we're going to, along the crease, draw half a heart, draw another half a heart, and then we will cut these out for our wings. Voila! So before we put the wings on, we're going to want to make it bee colored. So what color is a bee? And again, you can make this any color you would like to make it. If it was perhaps a yellow bee with blue stripes, why might it have blue stripes? Is there something that keeps it safe in nature? Is it because of the weather that it lives in? Think about it and use whatever color you like. So now we're going to add the wings. So we're just going to glue these on. So now we have this, and we're going to do the bee face. So we are going to glue on some eyes. One eye, two eyes. Do you know what a bee's eyes look like? Do they look like this? Then we're going to do the antenna. So all we have to do for the antenna is fold this. We're going to do this part with some tape. You can use the glue stick, or if you have other glue, you can use that. We're going to set it up there. And just tape across. We have what looks like that. But it's still not a puppet, so we have to make two little holes for where our fingers are going to go through. So in order to do that, we're going to fold our puppet one more time. just fold the bottom half up a little bit, like that. We're going to cut a couple more circles. You can do this with a hole punch if you have it, but just with scissors is fine. And there it is.